A common question with Graco Blossom high chair is on Graco Blossom tray as well as Graco Blossom high chair tray replacement. You have 3 trays with this Graco 6-in-1 high chair. I cover them all and also answer how do you remove the tray from the Graco high chair? And I start right now. I show you Graco Blossom high chair tray replacement. There are 3 trays on this Graco 6-in-1 high chair. Grab this smaller tray and insert it through the opening on the front of the seat like this. To remove, push the button with the Graco logo on the front and pull the tray away. You can do this with one hand. Nice. The second tray is this larger one. Squeeze the handles on the sides and place the tray over the smaller tray like this. You need both hands for this tray. You can remove all trays together with one hand like this. The third option is this tray insert. It sits on top of the larger tray. I have other videos on the Graco Blossom high chair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and